How to fix PowerPoint slide not advancing automatically. So if it's supposed to advance automatically but slides get stuck or refuse to move without manual clicking, in this one I will show you how to fix it. And we will enable transition timers, fix slideshow advanced settings, and remove animation roadblocks so your deck plays smoothly on its own. So firstly, let me show you how to ensure transition timings are properly applied across every single slide. So open up your presentation, then press Ctrl A on Windows to select all your slides at once. Go up to Transitions tab right here in the ribbon. Look over to the far right in the timing group right here and make sure that the after is ticked. And then just enter your desired delay, for example 5 seconds. Let's say 5, like that. And then you just click on Apply to All, like that. And then switch to the Slideshow tab, right here. And ensure the box for Use Timings is ticked, right here. Next, what if transition timers are active, but your presentation setup is overriding automatic playback? You can check your global slideshow settings. So tap on the Slideshow tab, click on Setup Slideshow, right here, and in the Setup group, look near the bottom under the Advanced Slides section, right here, and ensure that Using Timings, if present, is selected. Okay, this one. If you are running an automated display or trade show booth, select Browsed at a kiosk, right here, full screen, under show type, and this will log the deck into continuous self-running playback. And now, what if a specific slide refuses to advance until you manually click the screen? So an animation or embedded media trigger is blocking the timer. So go up to the Animations tab. After that, click Animation Pane, and then check for any animation set to one click, right-click it and change it to After Previous, right over here in this pane. If an animation waits for a manual trigger, PowerPoint pauses the slide auto advance timer until that action is completed. That's all you have to do. Enjoy.